Hello, I'm Alex and I'm here to teach inheritance with the use of bubbles. So, what is inheritance? Inheritance is the use of a parent class to initialize smaller classes known as children class. For example, you can see here there's a bubble. It's a basic bubble, bounces off the edges, moves diagonally, so on and so forth. Next to it, you can see its x and y's. It doesn't have a specific special property. If you click on it, you can see it has a constructor, a move function for moving it around the canvas, a draw function for seeing the bubble, and it's the parent class. It's not supposed to do much. It's basic, right? Secondly, we have a jitter bubble. As you can see, there's an x y coordinate on it, and there's a jitter mechanic. As it jitters to in the x and y axis. When clicked on it, you can see as a constructor, but also a super function. Super function means it gets the variable from the parent class, so you don't have to initialize it a second time. Furthermore, there's a move function in this one as well because the initial move function in the parent class will not be able to cover this bubble without affecting the others. But if that happens, it will cause a problem with the others. So we made a different move function for this specific class. This is our growing bubble. Next to it, you can see the growth rate as it grows by 1 and gets to a certain diameter when introduced. When clicked on, you can see that there's also a constructor, a superclass like the previous one, and in it is a grow function. This function is made to make the bubble grow to a specific size and then deflate to another specific size. This was used specifically for this one because if it's used in a parent function, it'll affect everything else. And no move nor draw function are used because, well, all it can use the same draw and move function as a parent class. So there was no need to make it all over again. Lastly, got the trailing bubble. When clicked, you can see there are two functions being made, an update and a trail. Update gets the x and y coordinates of a bubble at a specific place so it can store it. So even if a background color is made, it doesn't wipe it it doesn't wipe it clean. Furthermore, we made it stay for only 20 frames, which is 1 over 3 of a second, so it can be made noticeable but not long enough to seem like a distraction. Our second function was trail, which is to actually draw the trail and show the outlines of each trail. In actuality, they all look like this. As you can see, they each have their own different properties and different colors for what they're doing. Thank you very much.